and give the floor to the Sovereign Order of Malta.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. We know that the promotion of the rights of indigenous peoples is a matter of justice, environmental sustainability, and global harmony. Indigenous communities have endured systematic discrimination, repudiation, and dispossession of their ancestral homes and resources. Yet, their traditional knowledge and practices have made them essential stewards of valuable ecologic knowledge, contributing to the sustainable resource management, biodiversity preservation, and climate change mitigation. Those who reside in areas most vulnerable to global warming and environmental degradation have been in the front lines of climate change impact and have gained valuable insights into adaptation and mitigation strategies. Our response to climate change, therefore, must include their knowledge and sustainable practices. It is our responsibility to support them in their pursuit for self-determination, cultural preservation, and the protection of their ancestral lands. Furthermore, the COVID-19 pandemic has disproportionately increased the vulnerabilities of indigenous communities. It is also our responsibility to ensure that targeted policies are implemented to address the inequalities in their access to healthcare, education, and economic opportunities. In this regard, since 2014, the Humanitarian Relief Division of the Sovereign Order of Malta, Malteser International Americas, has worked tirelessly with the indigenous Wayu people in northern Colombia, whose ancestral lands stretch across both Colombia and Venezuela. During the COVID pandemic, they conducted training on water, sanitation, hygiene, wash, and repaired water tanks. Through mobile health brigades, they provide quality health care and nutrition to children under 5 and pregnant mothers, addressing the alarming malnutrition rates in the region. In addition, as part of their commitment to capacity building within the grassroots indigenous organizations, Malteser International Americas established the first mental health clinic, the Centro Básico de Salud Mental, in partnership with IPSI and Ashiwaya. By empowering these communities to lead their own success, Malteser International Americas is fostering lasting and sustainable development. This approach aligns with the UN Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, which emphasizes the importance of informed consent on matters that affect indigenous communities. The well-being of indigenous peoples is intrinsically linked to the well-being of our planet. We must not only ensure their environmental stewardship, but in doing this, it is imperative that we advance their human rights and their demand for social justice. I thank you, Mr. Chair.
I thank the distinguished representative of the Sovereign Order of Malta.